Have you felt the call of adventure? The desire to explore new cultures and experience the unknown is a powerful motivator. It pulls at the heartstrings of those bitten by the travel bug. The world is a vast and fascinating place, brimming with breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cities, and diverse people. For many, the allure of the open road is irresistible. However, the decision to travel the world comes with its own set of realities. Planning itineraries, booking flights, and navigating unfamiliar territories are just the tip of the iceberg. One of the most significant challenges faced by world travelers is maintaining a steady income while on the move. Traditional employment models often clash with the nomadic lifestyle, leaving many wondering how to fund their travel dreams. Fortunately, the digital age has unlocked new avenues for income generation, even for those with a penchant for globetrotting. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, location independence is more attainable than ever before. Among the many tools empowering this shift, artificial intelligence stands out as a game changer, offering innovative ways for world travelers to earn a sustainable income while embracing a life of adventure. AI is rapidly transforming the way we live and work, and its impact on the travel and income landscape is undeniable. For world travelers, AI tools present a unique opportunity to overcome the financial hurdles often associated with a nomadic lifestyle. By automating tasks, streamlining workflows, and opening up new income streams, AI empowers individuals to earn a living while exploring the globe. One of the most significant advantages of AI for travelers is its ability to optimize efficiency. Time management is crucial for anyone juggling travel logistics with work commitments. AI-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks such as email management, scheduling appointments, and even generating content ideas, freeing up valuable time to focus on higher-level tasks or simply enjoy the journey. But AI's potential goes far beyond task automation. It also unlocks new opportunities for income generation, particularly in the realm of digital products and services. Freelancing platforms powered by AI algorithms connect skilled professionals with clients worldwide, enabling them to offer services like writing, graphic design, web development, and virtual assistants, all while on the go. The beauty of these platforms lies in their ability to handle the administrative aspects of freelancing, from finding clients and negotiating contracts to processing payments, allowing travelers to focus on what they do best, delivering high-quality work from anywhere in the world. Section 3. Platforms and Possibilities, where AI meets opportunity. The digital landscape is brimming with AI-powered platforms designed to help individuals monetize their skills and passions. For world travelers, these platforms offer a gateway to financial freedom and location independence. Let's delve into some of the most popular options. Freelancing platforms. Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru are just a few examples of freelancing giants that utilize AI to connect freelancers with relevant projects. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms to match your skills and experience with client briefs, ensuring you find work that aligns with your expertise. Content creation tools. AI writing assistants like Jasper and Copy.ai are revolutionizing the way content is created. These tools can help you generate high-quality blog posts, social media captions, website copy, and even books, making it easier than ever to build a following and monetize your content. Online tutoring platforms. Platforms like Cambly and TutorMe leverage AI to connect language learners with qualified tutors around the world. If you're fluent in another language, online tutoring can be a rewarding and flexible way to earn income while traveling. Beyond these specific platforms, AI is also making waves in the world of e-commerce and passive income. Tools like Shopify and Printful enable you to create and sell physical products online without needing to handle inventory or shipping logistics. AI-powered marketing platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads can help you reach a wider audience and automate your marketing efforts, generating income even while you're busy exploring a new destination.